what's up with the helicopter UFO sightings in Los Angeles? They've been going on recently over the past couple of years, and Charles sent this video to us via our Gmail. He stated he captured this earlier this July from Culver City. He states he lives in Culver City and he's up in the hills just enjoying the view, and then noticed some LAPD activity, the choppers. He heard the sound and immediately took out his cell phone and captured something that's been happening lately in the skies over Los Angeles. Weird objects with LAPD surrounding these objects. What's going on? Is this a simple just drone kind of activity in the sky, and the LAPD is not too happy about it? We're looking at this and we're going to slow things down and try and get a closer look and try and figure out what the object is. It definitely got the LAPD's interest, you could see here. Brent, what's your thoughts?
Absolutely. Well, LA is a hot spot for movie making, and we're right next to Culver City, next to Sony department and their big studios. Could they be working on some sort of movie in the works? Is this a stunt of a project that we're not privy to, and we're probably going to see it later on in some sort of movie?
Yeah, you could definitely say that, Brent, because Hollywood, they're full of surprises. But again, this object shows no kind of conventional means of how it's suspended in the air. It's stationary. The helicopter is pretty close. And what does LAPD have to do with Hollywood, unless it's some kind of LAPD prop? Or they're actually maybe part of the production itself.
Absolutely. I'm seeing definitely, you see the rotor blades on top of this helicopter, and whatever this object is, you can tell there's no rotor blades. Could this be a balloon?
Yeah, I don't know, man, because if it were a balloon, Brent, you would think that the rotor blades would blow this object away. It seems very stationary, and it seems that the LAPD helicopter is a little concerned about it as well. It was almost banking there. Unfortunately, there's not much video. There was only about a minute to a minute and a half of the video that was sent to me, but we're looking at it really close up.
Here's
now.
A fantastic close up here.
Yeah, and you could see that there is no propeller blades. This is not a drone that I'm aware of, and it's kind of large. It almost equals the size of the helicopter itself.
No tether as well.